Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we have a coding question, how to find the greatest common divisor of two numbers using recursive function in C. Let's start. Here the GCD function takes two integer inputs x and y and returns the greatest common divisor. What is GCD? GCD is the largest positive integer that divides both x and y without leaving the remainder. The code starts with checking if either x or y is 0. In this case, the function returns non-zero value as the GCD. This is based on the property that GCD of a number and 0 returns the number itself. Next is the base case when x equal to y. And in this case, the function returns either x or y. If neither above conditions is met, the code checks if x greater than y. Then it is true, it recursively calls the GCD function with arguments x minus y, y. If it is false, it calls the GCD functions with arguments x, y minus x. This recursion continues until it reaches the base case. And in the main function, the integer x and y initialized with value 98 and 56. And it prints the GCD of x and y using the GCD function. Let's run the program. Yes, we get the output. The GCD of 98 and 56 is 14. I hope this helps you understand how the code works. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Happy coding!